This is how you do a cartwheel. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a cartwheel. Look at me, guys. Look at me. That is not how you do a cartwheel. Here, take the camera. Something bad happens. Even like when a child climbs a tree. Okay, I tell you not to climb a tree. Why do you do it? Now you gotta do a common dance. You see, every time we die, like, we have to do the common dance. No, it touched me in the nose. You're going to be disqualified. Oh no, you ain't gonna sit this way. Russian chickens. If you're a little kid, don't watch this. This is bad, okay? Don't watch this. If you're a little kid. Where are we? I see you. I see you. I did. Oh! Prepare to be sting. I got the perfect content because we are. I don't know what to do. You know what to do? No, don't rap. Rap is bad. I'm gonna throw you this. What are you gonna do? All right. Hey, give me back my shoe. Number 6. Mom, your 18 fellow passenger from the house smoke. My Jim, passenger, later February of 2016. All right, here's fight. Him, your 18 fellow passenger from the smoke. All drink alcohol on board. Shoot. Lucas, where's my shoe? So that was kind of bad. Did you record that? I think so. I don't know. No. I know what to say. You don't even know how to dribble a basketball. Okay, you do it the same way. I can do it 100 times better. I can do the legs behind the back. I can do. Number 2, mine each channel. I'm 5.2 seconds. Alright, say something. Say something.